Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to set up Linux environment in our local machine. So let's start this video. So first we need a Linux operating system ISO image. So in this tutorial we are using Ubuntu for the Linux command. So just write Ubuntu in your browser and install ISO image of Ubuntu. Click on download, accept all these cookies, okay, and then click on Ubuntu desktop and click on this and click to download Ubuntu. Okay, and select the Ubuntu LTS from here. So the downloading will be starting. Okay, so once the this ISO image downloaded, let's start another software of the virtualization. So in this video we are using VMware player. VMware player, and just click. This is the free software, so you just need to download from here. So try workstation 17 player for Windows. So if you are using Linux already, so you can install from here, and I am using right now Windows, so I am installing from the here. So let's start it. Okay, so once the all the things are downloaded, I will come back to you and show you how we can install Ubuntu in our local machine. So the operating system is installed successfully. So let's restart the system. So the virtual machine is restarted. Now just press enter. So version was installed. So let's start this virtual machine. From here you can make the window full screen. Okay, skip all those steps. And here is your folder. Okay, okay. So finally, here our virtual machine is. This is the Ubuntu Linux Ubuntu. This is the full information of this machine. So from the next series, we are writing some commands and learn the fundamentals of Linux. So stay connected. Thank you in this video. See you next time.